Hello, good evening, guys.
Hello, Rajesh. Good evening. Rajesh, yesterday there was no class, right?
No class. Okay.
Hmm.
Let me share my screen. Yeah, previously we have discussed about what is a primitive data type and what is a reference data type we have seen yesterday. Okay. And how many variables is there? How many variables is there?
Three variables.
Three variables is there. Okay. First one is local variable, instance variable, and the static variable. Okay. What is a local variable? What is an instance variable? And what is a static variable? We'll see. Okay. Coming to local variable. What is a local variable, guys? A variable which is declared inside the class and inside the method. Okay. Both things it have to be inside. Okay. Both things it have to be inside a class and inside a method. Okay. That thing is called as a local variable. Okay. A variable declared inside the class and inside the method. Okay, where I have to give guys? Inside the class and inside the method. Okay, then that is called as a local variable. It's called as local variable. Okay, now how to create a variable inside the class and inside the method, we'll see now. Okay, how to create a class, guys? It is my yeah. How to create a class? Right click on a package, go to new, under new, create a class. How to go? Right click on a package, go to new, under new, create a class. Okay. Here I am giving my class name as local variable. Okay. My class name as local variable and enabling public static void main string arguments. Why I am using public static void main? Because it is a main method. Without this main method, I cannot execute my Java programs. What is the use of public static void main, guys? Without this main method, I cannot execute my Java programs. Okay, so that's the reason I am giving this one, guys. Understood? What is this? What is the use of this one? Hello, guys. Are you able to hear? Hello.
Yes, Rajesh, you are audible.
It is a main method. Without this main method, I cannot execute my Java program. So that's the reason I am enabling public static void main string arguments. Okay. If you can select like that, or if you want to write also, you can write. Okay. That is up to your wish, guys. Okay. This is a class. Okay. Already I have created a class. Now I want to create a method also. How to create a method? Inside a class, only I am going to create a method. How to create a method? Public void. Okay, method name have to start with lowercase. Okay, yes or no? Method name should start with lowercase. Are you able to see? Here, somewhere I have written. 1 second. Method. Oh. Okay, method I have not written, I guess. Okay, method name have to start with lowercase, guys. Okay, method name have to start with lowercase. This is a method. This is a class and this is a method. Understood? Guys, understood? Inside the
Yes.
class and inside the method, I have to declare a variable. Okay, suppose here I am giving one of the value like 15. Okay, what value I have given? My value is 15 I have given. This is an integer value or this is a string value or float value?
Numbers are there, so it must be int.
Integer. Okay, it is an integer. if there is any decimals like that, means I have to use a float like that of things. Okay, here only one particular number is there, so that's the reason I have mentioned here as a integer. Okay, this integer this value I am going to store in a one of a particular value. I want to store this value in a one of a variable. Okay, that is up to your wish, guys. Okay, you can give any variable. Okay, you can give any variable name. Okay, here as of now I am giving my variable name as age. What I am giving?
Variable name as age.
Age. Okay. For this age, I am going to add one more 10 years. Okay. I want to add one more 10 years. How to add 10 more years for that age? Age equal to, I have stored in one of the variable age. Okay. For this age only, I want to add plus 10 years. Correct? Okay. 15 equal to 15 plus 10. Sir, no, age equal to 15 plus 10. How much the age is now? How much the age is? Previously it is 15. Again I have added 10. Okay, now what value you are expecting?
15.
Guys, 15.
Sorry, 25. Sorry, 25.
25. Okay. Here, what are the value I have given in a double quotations? Those things it is going to print under a console. Correct? Here I have declared. Okay, I have created a one of a method. Okay, here definition is satisfied. I have created a one class. Inside a class I have declared, and inside a method also I have declared. Okay, where is there my method? Inside a class only. Yes or no? Inside a class only I have created one method. Where I have declared variables? Inside a method. Correct? Definition is satisfied.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, a variable declared inside a class and inside a variable. Okay, inside a class and inside a method, we have to declare a variable. Then it is called as a local variable. Okay, if I print here, okay, if I am running this output, okay, now what is the value have to come? 25 have to come. But is there any program here it is running? It is running?
No.
Okay, it is not running. Why? Because I have created a method, but I have not created any object for that method. Clear? I have not created any object for that method. How to create an object? Class name, any reference equal to new class name. Okay, any reference equal to new class name. How to create a method? How to create an object, guys? Class name, any reference equal to new class name. Okay, my class name is a local variable. You can give anything. Okay, you can give your name also. That is up to your wish. Okay, you can give your name also. Class name, any reference equal to new class name. Clear? Okay, reference dot method name. Okay, what is my method name? M1. What is my method name?
M1.
M1. Okay. Now I am going to run my program. Run as Java application. See, here only what I have written, that only it is coming. Is the output is correct?
No.
No. I want an output like 15 plus 10. 25 output have to come. Where this thing is stored? Under variable age. Correct? Where I have to pass this age? Variable age. Inside a double quotation, what are the thing you have written inside a double quotation? That thing only here it is printing. Okay, if I want to call this age, okay, I have to use after double quotation. After double quotation. Here plus age. Now the age is 25 have to come. Okay, if I am going to run the program, the age is 25 have to come. Clear? Came or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a local variable. A variable declared inside a class and inside a method. Okay, then that variable is called as a local variable. Clear? I have created one method. Okay, in that method I have created one variable. Okay, and I have given one output message. Okay, that is up to your wish, guys. Okay, if you want to give the output message, you can give, or otherwise not required. Okay, I have created a method, so that's the reason I have created one object. Okay, understood? Any more questions?
Rajesh, without this public static void main, is it? I mean, it is not possible, right?
It won't run. Okay, it won't run. Clear?
Okay.
Without public static void main, it is not at all possible. Why? Because that is a main method. Without that main method, we cannot execute our Java programs. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Clear? If you want to write, you can write. I will wait for 1 more minute. Once done, please let me know. Practice, guys. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask. First program now, it will be some bit difficult. Okay. Day by day, it will be easy. Are you writing?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah,
Yes.
once done, please let me know.
Yeah, okay, complete, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay, now we'll see the instance variable. Okay, this is a local variable. Local variable means I have to create a both, okay, both class and a method I have to store in a variable at the same place. Okay, but coming to instance variable, a variable declared inside a class but outside of a method I have to store. Where I have to store the variable? Outside of a method. Outside of a method means out of method I have to give. Okay, that is called as instance variable. What is meant by instance variable? What is meant by instance variable, guys? A variable declared inside the class, but outside of a method, then that is called as, which variable? Instance variable. Then that is called as instance variable. Okay, now we'll see how to create an instance variable. How to create a class, guys? How to create a class? Right click on a package, go to new, under new, create a class. Okay, the class name have to start with uppercase. So that's the reason I'm giving I capital instance variable. And one more thing, okay, if you give here any spaces, it won't accept. Are you able to see? If you give any blank spaces, it won't accept. So that's the reason I am giving underscore. Guys, clear? Hello. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
And enabling public static void main string arguments. What is use of public static void main string arguments? It is a main method. Without that main method, we cannot execute a Java program. So that's the reason I am enabling public static void main string arguments. Clear? Now inside a class, I have to create a method. How to create a method, guys? How to create a method? Public void m1. Okay, how to create a method? Public void m1. You can give any name. Okay, not only m1, you can give any name. Okay, this is a method. Okay, for your understanding, I am writing this is a method and this is a class. Guys, understood? Inside a class, I have created one method. Guys, understood? Inside a class only, na, this method is available. Hello.
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay, inside a class only, this method is available. Clear? Okay. Now I have to declare a variable. Okay. Where I have to declare a variable? Where I have to declare a variable? Outside of a method. Where I have to declare variable?
Outside the method.
Outside of a method. Okay. Outside of a method means this is a method. Outside of a method means here I have to give. Correct? Correct?
No. After ninth line.
Anywhere. Okay. After this,
Okay.
after here or after here. Anywhere.
Okay.
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 Outside of a method means before or after. Okay, that is
Okay.
to your wish. Okay, here I am giving, here also I am giving a value 120. I am giving, okay, one value 20. This 20 value I am storing in a one of a variable x. Okay, I am storing one of a variable. Which variable? X variable. Okay, you can give any variable name. Clear? Okay. Here, if I want to print an output, okay, I am printing an output. So that's the reason I am giving system.out.println. Clear? Understood? Any more question? Any questions, guys?
No, Rajesh.
Guys, if you be silent, I don't understand. Okay. This is a output message to print a output in the console. Okay. What is the use of system.out.println? To print the output in the console. Okay, what output if you want that output you can write. Okay, here I have used a method. Correct. If I have used a method, I have to create an object. How to create an object? How to create an object? Class name, any reference equal to new class name. How to create an object?
Class name with any reference name.
Here, what is my class name?
Instance variable.
Trans variables.
Okay, my class name is an instance variable. Any reference, you can give any name. Okay, if you want to give your name also, you can give. Okay, instance variable, any reference equal to new class name. Clear? Now, what is my reference? This is my reference. Okay, reference dot method name. What is my method name?
M1.
M1. Okay, this is also your wish, guys. Okay, that method one is M1 is also your wish. Correct. Okay, if you want to give your name also, you can give for method. Clear? Now, what output I want to print a console? Can anyone? I want to print, I want to get my X value. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just I am placing X
The
value here.
value of X. Okay.
Okay, if I want to give a value of X also, you can give. Okay, run as Java application. Now, what is the output? 20 is my output. Correct. Someone told I want to get a value of X. That is belongs to a string. Correct. Correct. So that's the reason. If you want to write any output, so that's the reason I'm using double quotation. Okay. The value of X is okay. I am giving the value of X. Okay. What is the value of X? Where it is there? Where the X value is there? Under X only. Okay. So that's the reason I have to write outside double quotation plus X. Now the value of X is 20 have to come. And let's see whether it is coming or not. Clear? If I want a space here, okay, just go here one more space. Now run as Java application. Oh, where is the console? Yeah. Clear, guys?
Mm-hmm. Yes, Rajesh.
Nothing is there. Okay. A variable declared inside a class. Okay. Inside class only I have declared variable. Correct? Yes or no? Where this variable is there? Inside the class only. Correct? Guys,
Variable is declared inside
this
the class.
is my variable. This is variable. Where this variable is there?
Inside.
Inside the class. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And outside of a method. Okay. Outside of a method means outside one is there, na?
Hmm.
Okay. My definition is satisfied. Inside the class, but outside of a method. Inside the class is there, and outside the
Outside of the
method
method.
is there. Okay. Dissatisfied definition.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Okay, you
Rajesh.
can give any value. Okay, if you want to store a this variable in, I have stored a variable into X. Okay, you can store a variable with your name also. That is up to your wish. Okay, understood? Wherever I have created a method, I want to create an object. Okay, how to create an object? Class name, any reference equal to new class name. Okay, understood?
Mm-hmm.
Reference dot I want to call a method name. Like that's it. Understood?
Mm-hmm. Yes, Rajesh.
Write it down. If you are not able to understand, please ask.
Rajesh, I have one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Uh, Here in the source, like in the package explorer, some Java example, we have it as J and all, right?
In
Like
package explorer, we have, yeah,
here we have J, but here for me, when I try to do it for the EM,
that is a
huh,
Maven.
then is it possible to change it for me? Like, is it possible for me to share my screen, or do you want me to send the screenshot?
Share the screen. I will give the host, or
Okay.
otherwise, one more program I will explain. I will complete this one. After that, I will see. Okay.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay. One more thing. I will complete this one. After that, I will see. Okay.
Okay.
Is it done? Sorry. Is it done?
Yeah, I have noted it down.
Guys, it is done.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
there or are you sleeping?
Yes, sir. Completed.
I guess you are sleeping. Still in festival mode. Okay. Coming to static variable. Okay. Here also same, guys. Okay. Here also same definition only, but we have to use a one of the keyword. Okay. Here I have to use a one of the keyword. That keyword is nothing but static keyword. What keyword?
We have to use one of the keyword. That's word is static.
Static. Okay. A variable declared inside the class, but outside of a method. Both are same only, na? Instance and static. But with a name, I have to use as a static. What is that name? I have to use a name as static. Then that is called as static variable. Understood? Now, I am going to create a one of the class. How to create a class? Right click on a package, go to new, under new, create a class. Okay. Here my class name I am giving as a static
Variable.
variable. Okay. Here I am enabling public static void main string argument. What is the use of public static void main string arguments?
Main
Because it is a main method. Without this main method, we cannot execute the programs. Clear? So that's the reason I am enabling public static void main string arguments. Okay. Here class is there. Okay. Here I have used two words. Okay. One is class and second one is the method. So that's the reason I have created one class and I am going to create one of a method. How to create a method? Public void. You can give any name, method name. Clear? Okay. Understood?
Yes, Rajesh.
Now I have to declare a variable inside a class, but outside of a method. Inside the class means I can use anywhere. Clear? Okay, inside. Okay, but outside of a method. Outside of a method means outside I can give. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, Rajesh. Anyway, can be given begin
Anywhere
before
I
add.
can give. Okay, here int a equal to some 20 I am giving. Okay, at what variable I have stored this 20 value?
A variable.
Under variable a. Okay, here with a name I have to use as a static. Okay, I have to use a name as static. Okay, I have to use a keyword as static. Okay, what is the static where I have to use? Okay, before this one I have to use static. That's it. Clear?
Oh. Yes, Rajesh.
That's it. Completed. Our definition is satisfied. Inside a class, outside of a method, with a name as static keyword. Our definition is satisfied. Now here I have created one method. I have created a method. Okay. I want to call this method. How we are going to call this method? By creating object. Okay. If I want to call this method means I have to call, sorry. If I am using method means I have to use a Object. How to call that object? Class
Uh,
name,
Start. Mhm.
class name, any
Any
reference
reference
to
name,
new.
new class name.
Okay. Here, obj dot reference dot method name. What is my method name? My method
M1.
name M1. Clear? Okay.
Mhm.
Here,
Yes, Rajesh.
if you want to use a print statement, you can use a print statement. What is my print statement? System dot out dot println. Okay, the shortcut is sy so is the shortcut. Clear? Cont- Control space bar. Okay. System dot out dot println will come. Clear? What is the shortcut?
Yes, why?
Hmm.
Yes, wo.
So. Okay. If I want to call a particular variable means you can call a particular variable A. Okay. Run
Mhm.
as Java application. Now output it is going to come as a 20.
20.
Okay. Before 20, okay, this variable is available under variable A. Correct. I
Mm.
want to I want to write that one also. How to write that one? If I want to write that like that means I have to use double quotation. Clear?
Acha, okay, okay. Uh-huh.
Okay. The value of A is okay. Now it is available under A variable, correct? I want to call this A, right?
Let's see it.
I want to call that A after double quotation. Clear? Just
Mhm.
A add plus A. Clear? Now the value of A is 20 have to come. Understood? Guys, whatever you are giving in a double quotation, those all things it is going to come before. Clear? What are
Mhm.
the things you want to call that variable without double quotation you have to call. Simple. Understood? Are you
Yes,
clear?
Rajesh.
I can explain again. Here, what are the value I want this particular test? Okay. So that's the reason I am using double quotation. Clear? Not only this one, anything. Okay. I want to write this one. After that, I want this particular A value. Clear? So that's the reason I am giving after double quotation. Now this is a constant. Okay. This is a constant. Why? Because I have stored in a double quotation. After that, A value you have to come. What is my A value?
20.
20. Clear? This is a what message I have given that message. After that, my value is stored a 20. A is stored under 20. Clear? Instead of liking like that, as a professional, we have to write something new. Okay, the value of A is plus A. Clear?
Mhm. Yes, Rajesh.
Once done, please write me.
Mm.
Completed, sir.
Someone is facing issue. Who is the one? Someone asked for some question.
Yeah, it's me, Rajesh. If you make me as a host, I'll be able to share my screen.
Make a host. Yeah. I have given the host. Share this.
Sharing. Yeah, like I don't know whether I have did it in a right way or wrong also. I have created one. Is my screen?
Why about top one is not coming? Oh, okay. Yeah. Go to file. Go to new. And under new Java project.
Java example. Okay, example one. Should I go with next?
Just click on finish enough. Not require anything.
Okay.
Okay. Again, right click on that package. Sorry, the right click on the particular project.
I don't see anything. I'm not able to click.
Right click. Or not able to right click.
Huh.
Why? Why you are
I,
not able to?
mhm.
Can you go to new one more time?
Okay.
Create Java project. 1 second. 1 second. Use and Java execution environment JR is there, right? 20 is there, right?
Where is it? I don't see.
Use and execution
Haha.
in there is
Yes, yes.
select the drop down. Select 17. Create a project. Now let's see. Why it have to create? Your system is not supporting. Why?
Mhm. It's like the project here we can see like 6 errors.
Unbound library. Unbound class path content share system. What is unbound error? Can you go for new one more time? You don't mind?
Use project folder as root for sources and class files.
Not required. Why? Create. Select that one. No. Create a separate folders for
Okay.
create a separate folders. Now click on finish. Now right click. Are you able to create?
Mhm.
Restart Eclipse.
How do I do that? I just
Go
have
to
to
file.
close
Go
this.
to file.
Exit. Oh,
Yeah. Restart. It is installed perfectly, right?
Yes, Rajesh. It got opened.
Click on SRC and right click. expanded project. SRC is there, right? Or otherwise,
Mhm.
are you able to see window at top? File, edit, source, refactoring.
Refactor, yes.
Last window.
Yes, got it.
Go to that window. Window. Go to prescriptive. Show you below. Are you able to see any preferences?
First
1 second. Wait, the tool is different. No.
I'm using
Preferences. Where is the preference? Here it have to be preferences. Where is the preference? If you don't mind, can you download one more time Eclipse?
sure.
How you have downloaded? Can you show me?
This one, Eclipse ID for Java developers.
Are you able to see download 86 into 64? Right side. Scroll down. It will be right. Mac only, right?
Yes.
Are you able to
Sorry.
see download
Yes,
means
yes.
32 or 64?
64. It got downloaded.
Right click. There is the file. Eclipse. Open.
Be open.
Reopen.
Mm.
Oh, you have to close that previous one. Click reopen to open the application. Why? My God. 1 second. Go back. Open a new tab. Eclipse Kepler for Mac or Eclipse Oxygen. OXYGEN. Eclipse Oxygen. Download. Eclipse Oxygen. Just download. Eclipse Oxygen. Download. Yeah. Okay. Open the first one. Download Eclipse Oxygen. Go back. One more step. Open first link. This one only. No, Eclipse ID for Java developers. Second one, Mac. Select Mac.
Downloading.
Eclipse Luna, that is Eclipse Oxygen. Above, before one, after one, after one.
Second. Eclipse.
Eclipse. Open. Launch. Okay. An error occurred. Oh my God. Okay. We'll see after that. Double click again. Launch. Users, when you go to that location, users.
I'm just trying to. I'm also new to this.
There is a bindu, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Eclipse or Eclipse Workplace. What is there? Open that new
I
tab.
just copied that. Let me paste it here.
Eclipse Workplace. Go to Eclipse.
Eclipse Workspace. Eclipse Workspace.
Remove this all three. Control A and delete.
Yeah.
Now try to launch. Downloads Eclipse Oxygen. What is there? Nothing is there in Workspace. Metadata. Where is the metadata?
We have something.
Eclipse Workspace. Where Eclipse Workspace metadata. Where is the metadata? There is no metadata. Okay, go back. Here only go back. The Eclipse and Eclipse Workspace remove completely. Delete. In downloads also, go to downloads. What are the Eclipse things is there? Those all things remove.
Even right now, what we have deleted, oxygen also.
Remove. Those three, right? Remove. Delete.
Yeah.
Now open another new tab in Chrome. Eclipse Kepler, Kepler. Eclipse Kepler download. Kepler. Kepler.
After download.
Not R. Kepler. Eclipse Kepler. Kepler.
Okay.
Came na? Eclipse Kepler download. First one, first link. Mac ID Java. Oh no, that is standard.
The
Java
second
ID
one.
for Java developer. Okay, correct. Or third
Second,
one. Go for
yeah,
third one.
third one. Okay.
It was 64 on the right. Correct on the right.
Mm-hmm.
Double click on that link. Eclipse. Double click. Are you able to see Eclipse?
Yes.
Double click. Open. Because it from unified. I got what was this errors? One second. Your
It cannot
security
go.
features, if any apps, App Store, identified the developers. It is office mission? No, right?
Oh no, it's personal only.
Why it is not allowing? No, can you try one more time, Kepler? Sorry, Oxygen.
Yeah.
Open new tab and go for Oxygen. Last and final try.
First one or second one?
Go for third one. Eclipse Oxygen for Java developers, right? Eclipse Oxygen download for Java developers. Just type Eclipse Oxygen for Java developers. First one. Wait, here are you able to see download 86 into 64? Not Mac. At right side top, get Eclipse ID. Download that 86 into 64. Download. Wait. This one have to work.
In the meanwhile, shall I remove previous things?
No, I can remove. It will take some time. This was the file actually, I guess. Previously, in a short period of time only it is completed.
Yeah, okay, sorry.
Double
Rajesh,
click.
it got downloaded.
Yeah, double click.
Eclipse installer.
Mhm. Let's see. Don't show one, select that message. Checkbox. Open. My God. 2 minutes ago, joining.
This is the Eclipse ID for Java developers.
Yes, correct. Install. This was the thing. Previously, these are not came, right?
No, when I installed also it was the first one what I have installed, but it was 20 or 21 plus, I guess.
Launch. Launch. Just cancel that welcome. Create a new file. A new project. There only is there. Create a Java project. Just do Java project. Just select 17. Use 17. Create. Finish. Finish. Oh my God, again this same problem. Okay, I will check this one. Linda. Right click. What was the error? Unbound class. Okay, I will check this one. Okay, tomorrow I will see. One more batch is waiting. Okay, I will see tomorrow.
Okay, Rajesh.
Yeah, remember me tomorrow. Don't forget. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.